Now let's walk through ClipClap's viral template recreation workflow. First, navigate to the template library at the bottom of the dashboard page. Browse through the templates to view compatible product categories, creative concepts, and performance insights. Click Use this template to start the process. Next, paste your product URL. Then get started. Like our standard workflow, ClipClap will scrape and analyze your product page data automatically. The key difference here is that you'll be prompted to upload product assets that match the template requirements. After uploading your assets, ClipClap will take over planning the video structure, generating shots, selecting background music, and generating the final video. As the final step, ClipClap merges your product details with the template's proven creative framework to output a video optimized for viral performance.
Met you by the soda shop glow. Your smile lit up the world you know.
This workflow lets you instantly recreate high-performing content from your industry, while also building your own custom template library for future campaigns. Let ClipClap grow with you and become your trusted creative co-pilot.